Okay. There's like something. So yeah. Today we are doing another silly slide. And only one slime. I will just show you the whole thing. I will be right back. So just hang in there. I have to put something back in there. Got the sun. It's really good. So let's get straight in the video.